Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix CapCut not exporting problem on your iPhone. First, you can try and open up your App Store and click on your profile icon at the top right. From here, once you scroll down, you should be able to see all the upcoming updates that you can install. So if you see CapCut in here, just simply click on the update button and make sure that you have the latest version of CapCut. If that is not the case and your CapCut is updated, let's open up our CapCut app. Make sure that you are not opening any project and you are at the home screen. And once you're here, just click on your profile icon at the bottom right or the me icon. And from here, let's click on the gear icon at the top right, which leads us to settings. In here, you can see a clear cache button under the feedback and about section. So let's tap on clear cache and just click on confirm to clear our cache. And once we have done that, let's swipe up at the bottom of our phone and swipe up CapCut again to force restart it. And you can try reopening CapCut again and try exporting and see if your problem has been solved. If not, another factor might be you might not have any sufficient space on your iPhone. So let's go to our settings, let's go to general, and let's go to iPhone storage. In here at the top, you can immediately see how much storage you have left and make sure that you have enough extra storage to export your video because it might have a big file size and that might be stopping you from successfully exporting your video within your iPhone. So if you don't have enough space, you can try freeing up some space on your device and we can start inside CapCut. So you can open it up again and make sure that you are at the edit tab at the bottom left. And in here, you should be able to see a list of your projects. And if you have a lot of projects or old projects that you can delete, you can then click on this pencil icon right here in line with the projects heading. And you can then click on select and you should now be able to select the old projects that you can delete already. And once you have selected them, just click on delete at the bottom and click on move. And that should help free up some space on your phone. And other than that, you can delete unnecessary apps, photos, and videos within your phone. The last resort would be to uninstall CapCut, but remember, this would make you lose your project, so it will be deleted once you uninstall CapCut. So before you do that, you can try opening up your CapCut and backing it up by going to the edit tab right here and click on space in line with the projects or beside the pencil icon. And this is where you can click on the plus icon at the top right and you can click on create space, or you can join a space if your friend has one. And that is where you will upload your project by going to your projects, clicking on the three dots right here, and click on upload to space, and that should be uploaded to your space by clicking on this upload button again. And if it says not enough space storage, you can click on get storage and see if you can avail of a plan to back it up first if you want to reinstall CapCut. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.